It's a major issue we all don't like to discuss, but it's even worse not knowing you have bad breath. It's also called halitosis, and it's a problem that have affected most of us at one point. It can possibly ruin relationships, and it also can be an underlying issue with your overall health. The good news is that you can fix it right away. Bad breath is often caused by buildup of bacteria in your mouth that causes inflammation. This creates an odor or smell that no one likes. We all have that nasty breath at some point, such as getting out of bed in the mornings. Most of the time, it comes from a problem in your mouth. The majority of bad breath can come from an oral source, such as cavities, gum disease, cracked fillings, and less than clean dentures. The food particles can fester between your teeth or germs on your tongue. Did you know it can also come from tonsils because food particles are trapped? In some people, it can come from other sources such as medical conditions such as diabetes, liver disease, respiratory tract infections, and bronchitis. By the way, you can still have chronic bad breath even if your teeth look amazing and tongue is very clean. It can also come from acid reflux or other stomach conditions. Besides the obvious that can help is a temporary quick fix with a mouthwash or breath mint. Now let's look at some prevention tips. What you eat affects your breath because food is digested and then absorbed into your bloodstream. Afterwards, it's expelled by your lungs when you breathe. So, eating a well-balanced diet that is healthy will immediately change the smell of your breath. Try to cut back on junk foods and sugary drinks as these will stick onto your teeth and tongue. Always stay hydrated. If you aren't able to brush your teeth after a meal, then drink water or swish those harmful bacteria and debris between your teeth. Also, avoid sugary drinks. Too much coffee can build up a strong smell at the back of your tongue, so cut back on it, or an alternative is to have an herbal drink or green tea. Smoking also can give that horrible, horrendous bad breath. Cut back on alcohol as it can lead to a dry mouth. Excessive beer, wine, or hard liquor can make your breath reek for up to 12 hours after drinking. Good oral hygiene is key to fighting bad breath, so brush and floss. A good tip is to get an excellent electric toothbrush. Newer ones can now get up to 40,000 brush strokes per minute, ensuring plaque prevention more efficiently. Plus, a majority of people don't brush their teeth properly, manually. Also maintain and keep your regular dental appointments at least 1 to 2 times a year, as some of us may know that bacteria can accumulate on our tongue. After brushing your teeth, remember to clean your tongue. Investing in a tongue cleaner or scraper can do wonders. Saliva helps eliminate odors from the mouth. An excellent tip is to have snacks with fruits or vegetables such as raw carrots, celery, or apple slices. Having a nice watery vegetable can assist by clearing the debris from your teeth. Now, to avoid having a dry mouth, did you know that you can also breathe through the nose and not just through the mouth? Take into consideration that certain medications will expedite your mouth from being dry quickly or constantly. So definitely make sure you're drinking enough water. So by treating those underlying issues, you will notice improvement immediately. It will do wonders for you instantly, and you'll be surprised why more people will now want to interact with you more often. Okay, so that's about it. I'm signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe, and by the way, don't forget to brush and floss.